squirrel here? Well, I'm down at the generator filling up the water tote in the house, and I was watching the boss, I call him, and he lives off grid and he never waters his garden. He has an abundant garden, like hokey, just amazing. And what he does is there is at least 6 inches of leaves on all of his beds all the time. He just pulls back the leaves, puts in a plant. So I have leaves. So what I'm doing is, while I'm waiting for the water tote, every time I come here, I'm not sure what Daisy's doing. She's wondering why there's a tote there. I just rake them into the tote, pick up the tote, put it in the back of my side-by-side. It takes 12 minutes to fill the water tote, and 12 minutes I can rake up a full box of leaves. So I'm doing 2 things at once, and I'll just keep working at it and cover my beds, and let's see if the boss's way is the way. Well, Daisy thought that was a great adventure. We still have lots of leaves, and that's probably enough for maybe 1 bed. I don't know. I'll go out and see. And like I said, every time I fill the water tote, I'm going to fill this full of all this beautiful... Oh my gosh, why didn't I think of this before? So I have one of the beds ready, and I picked out all the weeds and any roots. So I will dump on my leaves and spread them all around, and hopefully get 4 to 6 inches of nice compostable leaves. Awesome. So that's supposed to suppress any weed growth. The rain, when it rains, is going to go in, but because the sun is not shining directly on the soil, it's going to retain the water and it's not going to evaporate. So I'm really hoping this is going to work. It would save me a lot of time and get rid of some leaves. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and happy gardening.